Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make synthwave chords voice in Voice Changer with Effects app. But first I just want to mention, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. As we can see, here we have a lot of options, but first we need to record something. For record an audio file, we have to press the microphone icon. This icon is on the top center of the screen, and we have to say something. For example, let's say, hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your voice with this app. Now we could choose from ton of different effects. For the synthwave chords effect, we have to scroll down to the bottom and we have to tap on the play button next to the synthwave chords text. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your voice with this app. That's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye.